Connecting to Armstrong.
Hey, how you doing? I'm looking for the nearest liquor store.
Liquor store, let me have a look for you, sir.
It's the motherfucking remix. I got my boy Digga Doe on the track, baby. My young pup straight off the court, Black Rain. We here, baby. We here. Holla back.
I bang the concrete. Faggots wake up cause you sitting in my seat. You need to get up, get up. I'm the head of the ghetto. I give your chick, got you cheddars. I get the coats in them barrels. You hate me, go get them barrels. Keep your eye on the sparrow, cause I fly right past you. Get a 9, I'll blast you. 16 fly past you or through you, it don't matter. As long as I hit you one time, nigga, fuck you. My mind in a panic, I'm skit to the rented with a flow. Unbelievable, I got no limits. If you listen to the kid and you wanted me to get in it. That's cause you never heard it better. I'm getting all of this cheddar. Got a vendetta with cheddar cause you never heard better. ACE, I got the letters, I'ma bring the flow back. Shake West told me step it up, I brought the flow back. Holla at.
Hey, boss. He ain't working, boss. He hot. He hot. Where you just let that lady get food? Get on your VLT record. We ain't gon' pull up with that foolishness. How about that?
For my fam, man, I hustle this game. I'm on the block 9-7 every day, man, tucking my chain. Make sure just to duck in this game, cause if I don't, then it's back to back in groceries to catch me some change. Stay true when I reel to the street. And for that Black Rain fam, lay face down, hands in the street. Me and my crew, man, we hunger to eat. And if we don't, then it's back to slinging rock just to catch me a piece. In the hood, man, I carry the toast. And for that stick of the butter, man, I might just hand you a loaf. Other niggas came in ballin' but broke. Me and my niggas don't argue, we just run up with the foe. Scotty P, man, showing the ropes. Cartier be killing it slow with an original flow. If you wasn't listening now, you know. Cause I ain't just spitting lines and hooks, nigga, I'm shoving the snow.
Oh, say go work. Nigga, you got to get to work. Because I'm fronting this motherfucking shit. Nigga, don't charge me astro. That nigga charging me astronomical numbers to do this motherfucking record. Y'all niggas think y'all gonna have that? Shit.
Who's to blame with you pulling out and blow a brain? Clear off your head and shoulders, but you know your body frame. To manufacture guns, technology I have none. But a trigger aim, make famous and take the sun. Face down on ground, last poses for pictures. To set me up bitches for niggas is plotting to get you. Starving eyes written on your eyeball and your size. But real niggas rain ain't to put holes in your pride. I'm on the DL, my theme is rebel, revenge. Niggas and we shall, ain't quick to see jail. It's just a life of crime. Temptation entice the mind. Aching my patience, incarcerating niggas with time. Attitude, rude, murders leaving clue. Can't eat a pussy and digest this look like paper food. Apparatus, cool as pimps, felt Bugatti madness. I've been a lace you at the table when you finish bagging.
Work, shit, nigga. While you bullshitting, we running boys and keys and motherfucking pounds and all kind of shit of that O.J. Simpson and that motherfucking Ray Caboose. Oh, nigga, my bad, dog, my bad, nigga. Pull that motherfucking plug, nigga. Delete that shit. I was just playing when I say that shit. Boss, where you at, boss?